So I'm just curious, what are my first steps when trying to purchase my first home?
Okay, well, the first step is I always tell people to have a credit score above a 620 and 2 years income. Now, if you have that, you're on a roll. So after that, you want to get what is called a pre-approval. Now, you can walk into any bank or any bank you're familiar with. You walk in there, you say, I want to get pre-approved for a mortgage. They'll let you know in a day or 2 days. Now, by doing that, why you want to get the pre-approval, because it lets you know if you're ready to purchase the home. Now, on the flip side, if you're denied, it's still good because they're going to tell you what you need to do to be pre-approved. So it's like a checklist. So by going in there and getting the pre-approval, it's a win-win. Either you're going to go in there and they tell you what you're approved for, or you're going to go in there and they're going to tell you what you need to be pre-approved. Now, once you get the pre-approval, that's when you contact me. We go out on the road, I show you the houses, and we know what you can afford because we have the pre-approval.
Thank you.